In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in my Hotmail account. The process is now handled entirely through Microsoft's unified sign-in system, as Hotmail has been integrated into Outlook.com. Even if your email address ends in at hotmail.com, at live.com, or at msn.com, you'll still access it through Microsoft's official Outlook login page. Here's a smooth and updated guide to walk you through it. Start by opening your browser and going to https://outlook.live.com/ or https://login.live.com/. On the home page, click on the Sign In button, usually at the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in your full Hotmail address, for example, your name at hotmail.com, and click Next. Now, you'll be prompted for your password. Type it in carefully, especially if you're on a mobile device or a small screen. If you've forgotten your password, you can click Forgot Password, and Microsoft will guide you through recovery by sending a verification code to your backup email or phone number linked to the account. Once you've entered the correct password, you may be asked to verify your identity if you're logging in from a new device. Microsoft could send you a code via SMS or email, or ask you to approve the sign-in through the Microsoft Authenticator app if you've enabled two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Outlook.com inbox, where you'll be able to read, send, and organize your emails just like before. From there, you can also access your calendar, contacts, and OneDrive, all under the Microsoft ecosystem. If you're on a trusted personal device, check the option that says, Keep me signed in before logging in. This saves you time in the future. But if you're on a public or shared computer, it's best to leave that box unchecked and sign out when you're done. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.